Hello, in this short tutorial I will explain to you how to use the timetable to join online lessons. So let's start. As you can see it here in front of me, there is a timetable sent by the teacher. So how I will join to this lesson? So first I will go and see it, for example, Tuesday, or for tomorrow you have physical education or any other subject. So what you need to do, you need to go on that blue link. Where is it? And just go with the mouse. As you can see it shows description of the link, but also below with bold letters it's written CTRL plus click. So on your keyboard find the button CTRL. Most of the time it's on the left side, left bottom side. Just press, hold it. As you can see it, mouse changed. It shows like a hand, like a finger. And then just click with the mouse holding the button CTRL. And it will ask you to open Microsoft Teams. So just click open it. And it will show you this window where you can just click join, but before you join just mute your microphone and click join. So in the case that didn't succeed, as I said, on your keyboard left side on bottom you can find CTRL. Click and hold on that button, and then just press with the mouse link, and it will open automatically the window, and just open Microsoft Teams and it will show you the window. As I already in previous videos said, please don't use the mobile. For this is the best to use tablet or laptop, because there's more options that you will not be able to see on your mobile. Thank you for watching.